because it is very long since I made a video last time on a synthesis of chemicals, precursors, or any reactants. I have made a list on what I want to do in the next couple of days, weeks, and probably a month too. And I have my long list here, I think myself, but it's pretty good and well chosen. So I am going to start with that this is only some kind of preview of what I'm going to do. Nothing visual will be made in this video except which you can see on the screen right now. And I'm going to start from this now. I'm first going to show you how to make potassium dichromate. This is made from chromium metal or chromium nickel metal and some over-the-counter and easy obtainable household chemicals. This video will also contain on how to make ammonium dichromate instead of potassium dichromate. You can choose that yourself when you are watching the video. I'm going to show you how to make sulfur trioxide and how to convert that to oleum and to sulfuric acid. Sorry, I was joking there. And I'm going to start from sodium bisulfite, which is pool pH minus, a pH lowering agent, and I'm going from that to sodium. I'm going to show you how to make sodium sulfite and sodium thiosulfate by the sulfur dioxide and sodium hydroxide method, and the sodium sulfite with some elementary sulfur to make sulfur thiosulfate. A fun one I'm going to show you is sodium trioxylateferrate monohydrate. I don't know if that's pronounced correctly, but I'm going to show you the name on screen so you're sure that I'm talking about the thinking. The reason why I'm going to make this chemical is just because I think it will be very funny, and it is full and very beautiful green color, because sodium acid, I'm very sorry for my jumbling up here, can make some very colorful and some very funny double salts. And in this reaction I'm only going to use household chemicals for make it easier to you. I'm gonna show you how to make benzene, and I'm gonna show you because it's a very useful solvent which can be made quite easily. I'm gonna start from toluene, which I can get easily, and I hope you can get it too. I'm going through the Friedel-Crafts reaction with aluminum trichloride, which disproportionates toluene to benzene and xylene. I'm also going to show you how to make phenol, which is also very useful as a precursor. I'm gonna show you how to make that by reacting toluene with the Friedel-Crafts reaction to benzene, which I just told you. I'm gonna chlorinate that to chlorobenzene, and then using the Raschig-Hooger reaction to make phenol. And because I watched the Nerd Rage video on TCPO, bis-2,4,6 trichlorophenol oxalate, I am going to make a interactive video on how to make that too, which will make you able to click on the chemical names used in that video. And I'm gonna make a lot of videos showing you how to make all the chemicals used in the process of making TCPO. That includes the 2,4,6 trichlorophenol, which is also called TCP. I'm gonna start from phenol to make that. I'm gonna show you how to dry the toluene the way I do. I'm gonna show you how to make the triethylamine, which is the base used in the reaction. Oxal chloride is also demonstrated how to make that. and even the ethyl acetate and the sodium acetate used in the chemiluminescent reaction itself. I haven't yet found a way to make some fluorescent dyes, but I probably will find out in some time. I hope to. As another variation of the chemiluminescence, I'm going to show how to make bis 6-butoxycarbonyl 2,4,5-trichlorophenol oxalate, which is starting from salicylic acid. This can substitute TCPO. I am also gonna demonstrate a reaction between copper 2 chloride, hydrochloric acid and aluminum to make some very beautiful reactions. I'm also going to show how to make the copper 2 chloride, how to make both ferric and ferrous chloride, sodium oxalate. I'm also going to show how to make pyrophoric metals. The pyrophoric metals includes sodium, potassium, ferrum, magnesium, calcium, zirconium, uranium, titanium, bismuth, hafnium, and thorium. I'm only going to demonstrate the ferrum or iron, magnesium, I think. I'm going to show you how to make sodium peroxide, and I'm also going to show you how to make glow in the dark powder, which you probably know from a lot of toys. It's zinc sulfide doped with some copper. I'm also going to demonstrate and show you how to make gallistan, which is an alloy between indium, gallium, and tin/stannous. I'm going to show you the Fields metal, which is an alloy between bismuth, indium, and stannous, also known as tin. I'm going to show you the Rose metal, which is an alloy between bismuth, lead, and tin. Woods metal, which is an alloy between bismuth, lead, tin, and cadmium. I'm also going to show how to synthesize pure calcium from calcium carbonate and aluminum. That was the list that I have made, and as you can hear, it's mile long. The reason why I'm making this list is because I have made some plans on what I'm gonna do, and that way I am going to do something. I haven't been into chemistry for a while because I was more into pyrotechnics, and I decided to take a break from that to make my neighbors calm a little down from all the noises and the stuff I have used. I'm going to the complete legal side now. So yeah, I hope you can use some of this, and please subscribe to see my videos. Rate this video for what you think of the chemicals, and comment on some more ideas, and yeah, just comment in comment. So thank you very much for watching. This is Christian talking from Chemistry Enthusiast on YouTube.